Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create a professional TikTok account. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your TikTok app, which can be downloaded through App Store. On the bottom side, you can see different options like Home, Discover, a plus button, Inbox, and then Profile. To create a professional TikTok account, in the bottom right corner, you can see Profile. Click on Profile. So again, on the top right corner, you can see there are three horizontal lines. Tap on it, then tap on Settings and Privacy. So here there are different options that you want to set. You have to tap on Manage Account. Here are the information of your account. To change this to a professional TikTok account, you have to tap on Switch to Business Account. So now you have to click on Next. Then you have to choose a category that you belong to. That may be education and training, or beauty, or gaming. You can choose any of this. I'm gonna choose this personal blog. Then tap on Next. So now your account has been a business account, so it is turned to a professional TikTok account. And that is all. That is how you change your personal account to a professional TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.